Okay, welcome back to Animator's Launch of Adventures. I am not in my home state, I'm in another state at my cousin's house here. I am running a washer they gave me to put me from the film. It's the WTW, it's a Whirlpool model WTW4815EW1. And they always run cold water, but I don't really like how they did that though, because, I mean, you're gonna need to use hot water at some point. Because using cold water is actually what got that. Is actually what caused that to happen. All that rust in there, that is exactly why you need hot water. So here's the agitation on the Whirlpool WTW4815EW1. Oh yeah, Wade was right. You can see how it's not even getting everything. I'm gonna try something. If we get it in just the right way. There we go. That's why if you get a Whirlpool, everything doesn't get clean in there, because it's a single action agitator and it doesn't even fill very high anymore. And what's worse, it doesn't even have a water level adjustment. Wait, maybe if I... Does the soil level change it? Oh, it does. Wait, it can agitate and fill at the same time? No way. Oh, that's better now, actually. So wait, the soil level is also the water level on these Whirlpools. Oh, I think I get it now. That's still not enough water, man. Wait. Maybe if I try that again. Nope, I don't think that's doing anything. Maybe if I do that again. The lid latching. Oh, that does work. So wait, it works on GE and Whirlpool? Okay. As it turns out, these things don't actually fill up to a good level. These have been like that since like 2011. That thing is basically a speed queen. That Whirlpool is basically like a speed queen. With those single action agitators. Let me try the trick again. Oh, it's not gonna work. Thought it would. The knob trick isn't working either. Back on medium soil, actually. Wait, does lower soil levels make the agitation slower? I don't think so, no. I'll just put on light since we don't have much time left here. Yeah, that's the thing about these Whirlpool ones. At least their dryers are better than their washers. Oh, I guess it just switches between speeds at times, I think. Yeah, that's why you do not want to get one of these Whirlpool top loaders. Because it doesn't have good enough water level. At least it has the rinse settings though. I wonder what the water level is like on the rinse cycles. Okay, it's doing something different now. They make some interesting sounds. Back to the extended agitations, huh? Yeah, that is why you need a washer with an impeller. Unless it's a dual action agitator. The dual action agitator ones are the good agitators. But otherwise you would need an impeller. In a top loader, that is. Otherwise, just get a front loader. I know it looks old school, but it's not even anything like the old school ones because it's high efficiency. And I know that started in the 90s, the high efficiency, but still. light. Soil level, extra light. More extended agitations, huh? Whirlpool used. Oh, we're draining now. Okay. So, it won't work the lid open for the spin cycle? Yeah, they're right. That thing is very noisy during the spin cycle. Although it's on an intermediate spin, so it says rinse. But yeah, you could barely even hear my voice over that thing. It sounds like it has bad bearings or something. But I don't hear any banging on there, so I don't know. It's gotta be something. If I were to lift up the lid, that would be like taking forever to slow down and those would be flashing.